butcher block conditioner. The conditioner helps protect the wood by keeping the mineral oil in and the moisture out. Butcher block conditioner is a combination of food-grade mineral oil, beeswax, and carnauba wax. It is ideal for conditioning and maintaining all wooden butcher blocks, cutting boards, wooden bowls, and utensils. Spread the conditioner evenly with a soft cloth. Make sure to get the grooves in the sides of the board. The penetrating quality of food-grade mineral oil, along with the water-resistant traits of beeswax and carnauba wax, helps to rejuvenate the wood and prevent drying. After 20 minutes, wipe off any excess butcher block conditioner and buff the wood to a nice sheen. If the bottom of the board looks dry, then apply a coat of butcher block conditioner. Remember to apply more conditioner whenever the wood looks or feels dry.